Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of TSI Chapter Speak or Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is very easy one. It is object-oriented programming. Once again, object-oriented programming. It is kind of important topic. So what we'll do today? First of all, what I'll do, I'll create a class and let's name it demo. And in this demo, I'm defining a constructor. So for defining the constructor, it is like def double underscore init double underscore and in bracket, let's say we are passing self. And what does this constructor do? It just assigns the value of a and b for this class. So for this, it will be self dot a is equal to, let's say, 1 and self dot double underscore b, let's say 1. So what is the meaning of double underscore? The double underscore, it is useful to change the visibility of variable. In our case, visibility of variable b, it is private. Double underscore means it will change the visibility of b to private. Okay, so and what I'll do, I'll just create a method in this class, let's say display, and display it also as self as a parameter. And what it does, it just returns double underscore b. It will be self double underscore b, self dot double underscore b. Okay. And on our main code, what I'll do, I'll create an object of class demo. For doing this, it will be like obj, its name of our object, which is obj, and demo, and then parenthesis. And what I will do, we'll print out the value of b for obj. So it will be obj dot underscore b. So you try to figure out what should be the output of the following code. It is not very hard. You just have to think a little bit, look at the code carefully, and you will be able to answer the question. So you have 5 seconds to pause the video and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, if we look at the code, it is throwing an error. Why is it throwing an error? Because visibility of b, it is private. It is not public, it is private. That's why it is throwing an error. If we change this visibility to like public, then our code should run fine. Like we can try doing that. Okay. For doing that, we just have to remove this double underscore. And now if we run our code, it will print out, it will work just fine. So I hope it is clear to you guys. It was very easy topic today, and if you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.